This is Jill of Simply Organized. Welcome to the month of May, and thank you for opening and reading my newsletter. I appreciate it. You may hear my dog sniffing my leg right now. My dog Scout is right below me. So anyway, let's talk about how rewarding, how lucrative, how profitable, how wonderful organizing, downsizing, decluttering, whatever you call it, can be for just about everyone. Almost every client I work with at least finds some loose change while we're organizing, in pockets, on the floor, on top of surfaces, wherever. They at least find loose change. Sometimes we find gift cards, old checks, cash. So it's great. It's profitable. But I have one story that's absolutely amazing. We were working together, unpacking some boxes, my client and I, that had been packed up for 6-7 years since she moved. She had not unpacked those. And that's not uncommon. If that's you, it's not uncommon. Don't worry about it. It happens. But we were getting those unpacked once and for all. And I found an envelope full of savings bonds. It was about this thick of a stack. All savings bonds. And I said, wow, look at these. They've got to be worth a lot of money. And she said, oh yeah, I knew I had those somewhere. She didn't seem to be too worried about it. She knew they were somewhere, but had forgotten about them. So I was really interested to learn how much those were worth once she took them into the bank. She needed a little bit of encouragement to take them in because it just seemed like work to her. She's a busy woman, works full time, busy social life, life after work. So just didn't really want to take them into the bank and have them converted. That felt like it was going to be hard and time consuming. So I kept encouraging her, take them in, let's see how much they're worth. So she did, and she found out it wasn't too much work because she could drop them off with a teller or whoever at the bank and then go to work, and they called her. And she about fell off her chair when they told her how much they were worth. Guess how much they were worth? $15,000. That's 15, $15,000. I'll let that sink in. 15 grand. Wow. Organizing does pay off. You never know what you're going to find. Maybe it's something you thought was lost forever, something you had no hope of finding again, or maybe it's cash or savings bonds. Tell me what you found while organizing or what you did find organizing this coming week. I hope you all find something good. Thank you for joining me.